Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can delete a saved post on Instagram. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Instagram account. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now, tap on the hamburger menu. You will see a saved option. Tap on it and see all of the saved posts. Open the post you want to unsave. Now, tap on the icon that's on the right hand side of yours to unselect it. And that's it. Your post is now unsaved. It will disappear from your saved list. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.